Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I hope you're doing better than I am, because I am beating a dead horse on this '03 Yukon XL. I have worked on this parking brake till I'm blue in the face, and here is part of the problem. Still don't know exactly what it is, but it seems like it couldn't be too terribly difficult to fix. I've probably got the parking brakes adjusted in the back too tight, because I can't get it will not hold this vehicle for nothing, not even in neutral, much less in gear or reverse. So, done with that. If it's too tight, whatever. The owner doesn't even care. It's because of my OCD. Stuff like this ticks me off. If it was mine, I'd be ticked. It's not even mine, and I'm ticked off. But anyway, this is on the driver's side. This is the parking brake cable. This top one goes to the driver's side drum parking brake. This one goes to the passenger side. There's grommets right back here. Right back, not right out of the camera view, are some grommets that I've lubricated well. So, not sure exactly how to fix it. I watched a long video of a guy replacing all these cables with brand new GM AC Delco parts. He didn't mention how much they were, but that kind of seems like overkill to me. The new ones he replaced with don't have this nut and stud adjustment, which seems to me like this would be a better design, but whatever. What do I know? So anyway, this is with it turned on. You can see it's pulling, the driver's side here, it's tighter for some reason. So anyway, I'm just going to turn it off and on several times to see what it's doing. So anyway, as you can see, it's screwed up. Don't know why exactly, but it's supposed to be pulling them both the same amount. So anyway, post a comment if you have the fix for it. Anyway, take care. Have a good one.